Welcome to one of Pittwater's most extraordinary waterfront homes. A bold architectural statement set into the cliffside at 189 Riverview Road in Avalon Beach. This is not your average luxury home. This is a visionary deep waterfront estate, newly completed, meticulously designed, and crafted for the ultimate northern beaches lifestyle. Set on over 1,000 square meters of prime waterfront land, this home stretches across 4 expansive levels and offers more than 700 square meters of internal living space. It's immersed in nature yet fully connected, both to the water and the world beyond. Inside, the home features 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and multiple living zones, all framed by soaring ceilings, natural materials, and sweeping views across Pittwater. A private lift connects each level, and the layout flows effortlessly from indoor spaces to sun-drenched terraces, gardens, and rooftop spaces. The design is a collaboration between leading Australian architects and environmental engineers, delivering not just a beautiful residence, but one that's energy efficient, future-ready, and off-grid capable. At the heart of the home, the chef's kitchen is a showstopper, complete with integrated appliances, natural stone, and custom cabinetry. Entertain in style or host family gatherings with ease, all while enjoying panoramic water views from almost every room. Beyond the living zones, you'll find a wellness retreat with a gym, steam room, sauna, ice bath, and even a private cinema. Step outside to a heated infinity edge pool that appears to float over Pittwater itself. There's also a private boat ramp, jetty, and access to the bay, perfect for boating, kayaking, or launching straight into the weekend. This is a rare opportunity to own a piece of waterfront excellence, architecturally brilliant, sustainably engineered, and completely secluded, yet just minutes from Avalon Village, cafes, and beaches. Properties of this caliber don't come to the market often, and when they do, they don't last long. If you'd like more information about this incredible home, or just curious about how much your house is worth, give me a call or text. This is 189 Riverview Road. Deep waterfront luxury, elevated living, and a home unlike anything else on the northern beaches.